So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how and why can't you change your photo or your default picture in chatgum. So look here we have this account with 329 likes. This is where the problem lies. If you are new in this chat app, you need at least to have 7, let's say just 6 likes, so that you can change your default picture. If you log in with your Facebook, the picture of your Facebook account will be the picture of your chatgum account. But if you don't want to log in with your Facebook, you will have to ask your friends to like your profile for 7 times. Then you can change your photo profile. Okay, if you have a problem with connecting or syncing or synchronizing, all you have to do is to block the people we don't chat with, so that the room will be lighter. Okay, so it's a matter of connection. So if you have problems with connection, you have to take away or get rid of the effects of sound effects and background effects. And if you don't chat with someone, just block them. If